Hi everyone. You know how we all use VLOOKUP whenever we need data from another sheet. It works but only until your file changes and then the formulas break, errors pop up and the fixing begins. Well, today I'll show you a smarter way. Power Query does the same job but automatically. It connects your sheets once, keeps them synchronized, and updates everything with just a simple refresh. No formulas, no headaches, just clean connected data that updates itself. So let's begin with our today's tutorial. Here you can see I have information of some products, and on sheet 2 I have a common column that is our product column, but then again I have some other information related to them, and I want to merge these two pieces of information together. Although we can do this using VLOOKUP in Excel, if you want a formula-free solution that automatically updates your end result every time you add something new, then Power Query is the best option, and today I will show you how. So, in order to use Power Query, let's first convert your pieces of information into Excel table. Place your cursor on any text-filled column and press Ctrl A from the keyboard. Then press Ctrl T, and here you can see that my columns have titles, so keep it checked and let's press OK. Now in a similar way, we can also convert this piece of information into table. Now our next task is to load them into Power Query. So first select your data, go to Power Query option, and from here choose from table/range. And here you can see your table 1 has been loaded into the Power Query. Now go to Home tab, and from here click on Close and Load and choose Close and Load to. And here you are supposed to choose the option Only Create Connection and click on Load. Now let's move to sheet 2, and here again for this table I am going to select it. Select from table range, and now let's again click on Close and Load. Choose Close and Load to, and from here again choose Only Create Connection and click on Load. Now here you can see that two tables have been appearing here. Now let's click on table 1, and again it will take us to the Power Query section. Here in the Home tab, go to Merge Queries. Click on the small arrow and choose Merge Queries as New. Okay. Now here let's choose table 1. It is already table 1. And from the second dialog box, let's choose table 2. Now let's click on the common column. So our column is basically the product column. So I'm going to choose it from both the tables by clicking on that. And in the join kind, keep this option selected, left outer all from first matching from second. Okay, and let's press OK. Now here you will see that a column has been appeared with the title table 2, but we want to see here categories and region. So in order to bring them here, click on the small icon, and from here select the information that you want to merge with the table 1. So I am going to choose category and region here, as we already have product as a main column in table 1. And let's press OK. And here you can see the information that was present in table 2 has been merged with table 1. You can change the titles by double clicking on the title, and let's give it a name, category. And here let's remove the table 2 dot region and keep the region as it is. And now let's click on Close and Load to, and from here choose Close and Load. So here you can see that our merged table have been appended in sheet 3. Now if in future if you make any changes in your main tables, and let's move to sheet 2 and type here something. So all you need to do is to go to your merged table, place your cursor on any text field entry, right click on it and click on refresh. And here you can see that your new information will also be reflected here. So this is the fastest way to avoid any errors, and it is the best replacement of VLOOKUP, especially if you feel that you need to have more information into your data tables. So try this technique by yourself. And if you like the today's trick, then don't forget to hit like and drop a comment. If you want to learn more tips and tricks like these, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is all for today. Thank you for your time. Stay blessed, stay happy.